Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 seniors struggle with mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and loneliness? As we age, mental health becomes just as important as physical health. But here's the good news. Technology is on our side. And with the help of mental health support apps, you can take control of your emotional well-being right from the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned to find out how these apps can be a game changer for your mental health and how to use them effectively. As we grow older, our mental health often takes a back seat to physical health concerns. But mental health issues in seniors are more common than you may think. Whether it's anxiety, depression, or feelings of isolation, these conditions can have a profound effect on your quality of life. And unfortunately, many seniors suffer in silence, either unaware of the help available or simply too hesitant to seek it out. Studies show that mental health challenges in older adults often go undiagnosed. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, NIMH, nearly 20% of people age 55 and older experience some type of mental health concern. However, only a small percentage seek help. But there's a solution that is both accessible and effective: mental health support apps. So, what exactly is a mental health support app? And how can it benefit seniors like you? Mental health apps are designed to help manage and improve emotional well-being through guided exercises, mood tracking, meditation, and even access to virtual therapy. These apps offer seniors an easy, private, and cost-effective way to access mental health resources without leaving home. But before we dive into the best apps for seniors, let's first understand why using these tools is so crucial. As we age, we experience a variety of challenges that affect our mental well-being: retirement, the loss of loved ones, and the feeling of being disconnected from a social network can contribute to increased loneliness and stress. And with fewer opportunities to seek help in person, technology comes to the rescue. Mental health apps are designed to give you quick and easy access to coping strategies and support, right from your smartphone or tablet. Plus, mental health apps are accessible anytime, anywhere, and often at a fraction of the cost of in-person therapy. They're ideal for seniors who may find it difficult to leave the house due to mobility issues or those who simply prefer the privacy and convenience of digital support. Key features of mental health support apps for seniors. Now that we've established why mental health support apps are crucial for seniors, let's explore the specific features that make these apps so effective. These features have been designed with seniors in mind, offering them practical, easy-to-use tools that can be used anywhere, anytime, to support their mental well-being. The beauty of mental health apps lies in their ability to offer self-help tools and personalized support, which can be accessed without ever needing to leave the home. Here are the key features that make these apps a valuable resource for seniors. 1. Guided meditation and relaxation techniques. One of the most effective ways to improve mental health is through meditation. Many mental health support apps provide guided meditation sessions that can help seniors calm their mind, reduce anxiety, and foster relaxation. Meditation is a powerful tool for managing stress, improving focus, and regulating emotions. For seniors, these guided meditations are especially helpful because they offer clear instructions and gentle prompts, making it easy for them to get started, even if they've never meditated before. Apps like Calm and Headspace are particularly user-friendly for seniors and offer meditation sessions that can be anywhere from a few minutes to 20 minutes long. This flexibility allows seniors to find sessions that fit their schedules. Guided meditation in these apps often includes breathing exercises, simple, step-by-step instructions that teach seniors how to slow their breathing and relax their bodies. Progressive muscle relaxation. a technique where users progressively tense and then relax different muscle groups to release physical and mental tension. Sleep meditations. These specialized sessions help seniors wind down before bed, improving their sleep quality and promoting restfulness. By incorporating these short, calming exercises into their daily routines, seniors can see immediate improvements in their emotional state and overall mental well-being. 2. Mood tracking and journaling. Another essential feature of many mental health apps is mood tracking. This tool allows users to log how they feel throughout the day, enabling them to recognize patterns and triggers related to their mental health. For seniors, mood tracking can be particularly valuable because it helps identify when they're feeling anxious, sad, or stressed, and it provides actionable insights that can guide them toward better emotional health. Apps like MoodFit and Wysa allow seniors to rate their emotions daily, noting things like mood, energy levels, and sleep quality. This data helps seniors reflect on their emotional state and identify the factors that influence it. For example, they might realize that they feel more anxious on days when they don't get enough sleep or when they don't interact with family and friends. Some apps even provide reminders to track mood and offer follow-up questions to help users explore the reasons behind their emotional states. These reminders encourage seniors to stay engaged with the process, building a habit of self-reflection and emotional awareness. Benefits of mood tracking. Helps seniors recognize emotional patterns and triggers. Provides an easy way to monitor progress over time. Encourages active participation in maintaining mental well-being. Assists in identifying if professional help is needed if emotional patterns change. 3. Virtual therapy and counseling. One of the most transformative features of mental health apps is virtual therapy. For seniors who may have mobility issues, live in remote areas, or prefer the convenience and privacy of their own home, virtual therapy sessions can provide much-needed emotional support. Rather than traveling to an office, seniors can access licensed therapists from the comfort of their living room through video, voice calls, or even text-based therapy. Apps like BetterHelp and Talkspace offer virtual therapy, connecting users with mental health professionals who specialize in issues like grief, anxiety, depression, and life transitions. These platforms are designed to provide confidential and secure access to therapy, making it easier for seniors to maintain their mental health. Virtual therapy offers several benefits for seniors. Accessibility. No need to leave the home for an appointment. Flexibility. Therapy sessions can be scheduled at a time that's convenient for the senior. Privacy and comfort. Seniors can speak to a therapist from a familiar and safe environment, reducing anxiety about the therapy process. Ongoing support. Therapy is available whenever the senior needs it, providing continuous support during challenging times. 4. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, tools. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is one of the most effective treatments for anxiety, depression, and stress. Many mental health apps incorporate CBT-based tools to help seniors manage their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in a more positive and productive way. For example, Wobot, an AI-powered app, uses a CBT framework to provide users with interactive exercises that help challenge negative thinking patterns. By guiding seniors to recognize and reframe harmful thoughts, the app encourages healthier emotional responses to everyday situations. The beauty of apps like Wobot is that they allow users to engage in CBT exercises without the need for an in-person therapist, providing a private, easy-to-access method for mental health support. CBT tools in mental health apps typically include thought records, prompts to help users write down negative thoughts and reframe them into more balanced, realistic perspectives, behavioral experiments, exercises designed to test out new behaviors and observe their effects on emotions. Activity scheduling, a tool to help users plan activities that boost their mood and reduce negative thinking, such as socializing or exercising. 5. Support communities and peer support. In addition to individual features like meditation and therapy, many mental health apps also offer support communities or peer support groups. These online communities allow seniors to connect with others who may be going through similar mental health challenges, providing a space for sharing experiences, offering advice, and giving emotional support. For example, 7 Cups connects users to trained listeners or peer support groups where they can talk openly about their emotions. Having access to others who understand what they're going through can help seniors feel less isolated and more empowered to manage their mental health. Benefits of peer support communities: reduces isolation. Seniors can connect with others and share their experiences in a safe environment. Encourages social connection. By interacting with others, seniors can form meaningful relationships that provide emotional support. Promotes empathy. Sharing personal stories helps seniors realize they're not alone in their struggles. 6. Personalized reminders and progress tracking. Personalized reminders are a valuable feature in many mental health apps, especially for seniors who may have difficulty remembering to engage in self-care or emotional health routines. These reminders can be set for activities like tracking mood, taking medication, completing relaxation exercises, or even scheduling therapy sessions. For example, an app like My Therapy provides medication reminders alongside mood tracking, allowing seniors to maintain both physical and emotional health. These reminders help ensure that mental health practices, such as meditation or mood tracking, become part of a daily routine, encouraging consistency and long-term success. Additionally, many apps allow users to track their progress over time, whether it's improvements in mood, reduced anxiety, or increased emotional regulation. Being able to see progress can help motivate seniors to continue using the app and stay committed to improving their mental well-being. Using a mental health app can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but with a little practice, it can become a valuable tool in your mental wellness routine. Here are some tips for getting the most out of these apps. Start small. Begin with short sessions or activities. Apps like Calm and Headspace offer beginner guides to ease you in. Be consistent. Just like physical exercise, mental health exercises require regular practice. Make using your chosen app part of your daily routine for the best results. Track your progress. Many apps provide ways to track your emotional progress. This can help you identify which exercises work best for you and show how far you've come. Seek professional help if needed. While apps are a great supplement, they should never replace professional care. If you're experiencing significant distress or ongoing mental health challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. Over time, using mental health support apps can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Research shows that regular mindfulness practice and cognitive therapy techniques can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, improve sleep quality, and even boost cognitive function. And because many of these apps are designed to be user-friendly and senior-friendly, they can help you create habits that support both your mental and physical health. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as looking after your physical health, especially as we age. The good news is that mental health support apps make it easier than ever to access the help and resources you need to live a more fulfilling and balanced life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Secrets for more tips, and leave a comment below sharing which app you're excited to try. Your health journey is important, And we're here to support you every step of the way.